This past quarter at Lake Washington Windows and Doors, we witnessed the power of doing things right consistently. Every quarter we stop, we look back, and we ask ourselves, did we show up the way we said we would? This quarter, we didn't just show up, we showed out. When your team believes in what they do, the results speak for themselves. Hundreds of families across the region trusted us to protect and transform their homes. And that starts with the culture we've built. That doesn't happen by accident. That's our designer consultants earning trust in your living room. That's our installers showing craftsmanship on every single job. That's our operations crew making sure nothing falls through the cracks. Every home we work on, we treat like our own. That's not a tagline, that's a guarantee. Your windows, your doors, your family's comfort, backed by people who actually stand behind their work. We live here, we raise our families here, and there's something special about knowing the people who take care of your home are right here in your community. Lake Washington Windows and Doors, a name you can trust.